Hey guys, welcome. In this course we're going to learn about Django 4. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to build a notes taking app. So this is a demo. So basically when you just start up, it's going to have something like this. But when you click on this go to smart notes, it's going to ask you to log in. But since we don't have an account, we can always sign up. So we'll create this sign up form where you can add this username, password, and you can check your password. And once you sign up, you'll be able to log in. So let me show you a demo. So I'm going to go to admin and the password is admin. So since now I'm logged in, I can create a new note. I can click on create and then I can add a new note. So I'm going to call this as this is a demo note, and actually I can just copy this and paste it over here and just click on submit. Okay, so as you can see that we have this demo note. I can view that note. Now I can edit this. I can click on edit and I can call this as exclamation mark and I can say hello over there. Okay, and then click on submit. So that's updated there. Okay, and let's just say that I want to delete this something new note which I created. So I'm going to click on view note and I can click on delete. That's gonna delete that. Okay, and once all that thing is done, I can log out. So this actually gives you a multiple user option, so you should be able to create as many users as you want, and you should be able to manage as many notes as possible in this entire app. Okay, so let's get started and build our notes app with Django.